All right, good morning. I don't know what I've done, but the doctor is quite excited about something that I pushed. Oh, that's good, I think. We're going to talk about what's happening here. We're going to talk about the warm weekend coming up. We have lots to talk about. Apparently, maybe we need a tech to fix something that I broke. We've got that coming up here on Good Morning Northwest. All right, we're going to talk about the forecast and more on Manufacturing Monday. Sterling International, you know it as Rescue. You've seen the new product, Y. It's been out for a couple of years, the Wasp Hornet and Yellow Jacket. It's an attractant. Now they're working also on the good side, trying to get the good bugs to come into your yard. It's an invitation. Take a look at the forecast. Here's what we've got. And the good doctor is going to explain a little bit about what's going on over here with this machine. You may have noticed this year we have not seen the huge amount of wasps and hornets that we have the year prior to that. That's because we didn't have that hot pop as we came into summertime and had the emergence of, again, those said animals, bugs, insects, come into our world. Now, this is a good doctor who runs the only privately owned, what exactly is it called, Rod?
It's EAD, Electro Antenna Detector.
Okay, and you would think you would be able to get this at Sears and Roebuck, but you cannot. There's about 200 worldwide, most of them with universities. Now, doctor, you take natural fragrances, you put them in this pipette, and there is an antennae hooked between these two, and this machine measures what it likes?
Yes, that's basically what we do here. We just trying to find, the reactive smells from the natural materials detected by the insect antenna.
And then combine those to attract it into either the trap or the garden. That's what I want to talk about. I'm going to talk about that with Rod. The good doctor got all excited when I hit that button 3 times. And that was instead of a puff of cologne, you said I put an entire bottle onto the antenna.
Yes, you did.
All right. Now, Rod, you invented a fly goo many, many years ago. And now you're working to attract other animals into the garden in a positive way, as well as capture the ones that disturb us.
Right. Well, what we're working on now are lures that would lure beneficial insects to an area where you would want to bring them in to eat the bad bugs. So Dr. Xinghe and the team are working on lures for ladybugs, lacewings, hoverflies, antlion, spine soldier bug. Those are all beneficial insects.
Okay.
Well, if you can concentrate them into an area to eat aphids and caterpillars and scale and insects that, again, that destroy your garden,
right,
it's a more environmental friendly way.
Right. That lessens the use of chemicals, yes, and allows nature to take its course. Only we give nature an invitation. Yeah. All right, we're going to talk a little bit more about this. We're going to go back out and show you a couple of things. It's Manufacturing Monday. This is part of the manufacturing process, Nadine and Mike, because once they come up with the attractant, then they have to put it out into the masses. And we're going to show you that as well coming up here on Good Morning Northwest.